to swim, and at other times, it's also good for your physique. Two of the books that I keep with and consult. So what do we talk about now? Off and on. One is this one.
What Power Made Easy. It is English book.
By What Power Made Easy by Norman Lewis. This gives you about 1,000 words, their meaning and how to use those words. But many are uncommon, difficult words in this. And then there are exercises to do also. Exercises so that you can memorize that word and learn how to use that in your speech and your writing. Another book is a thick one, this thick.
What is the name of that book? How to Write and Speak Better. Wow. This book
This is
me.
about writing and speaking.
Who is the author?
This is from Reader Digest. Many authors contributed. And published by Reader Digest.
Available on online. It is available online.
No, this one is could be available online, but not the other one, because this is a subscriber's copy. At one time, I used to get Reader Digest. So it was a limited edition only. It was not available, at bookstores. I don't know whether it's still available or not, but I got it about some years back. तो अब बताइए आप You should also learn swimming.
Okay. Yeah.
It's sometimes you need to know how to swim, and at other times, it's also good for your physique.
Yeah.
I knew swimming, but I had not swum recently. I mean, recently meaning for about 10 years I didn't swim. Then recently I had gone to Singapore. So the apartment where my daughter lives had a swimming pool. So I went down into the water. But then I realized I had forgotten. But I said, how could it be? So I tried. Then after some time, I was able to swim. And then I felt good. And I used to swim almost every day. So it's a good thing to know swimming. Do you know all animals know how to swim?
All animals?
Yeah. It is an inborn thing in them. All animals, even horses know how to swim. Elephants can swim.
Okay. So interesting. I don't know about this. All the animals know how to swim, but I don't know.
You see some videos on wildlife, you will find elephants swimming across rivers. And they love to swim. They love to be in water. Similarly, all other, except cats, they don't like water. But if they are put into, you throw them into water, then they start swimming.
They can swim.
Yeah, they can. I mean, if you try to make too much of effort, then you will not be able to. But if you know how to float, just relax and try to be up, then you can. That's what the animals do.
Yeah.
I mean, they don't have that, the palm, except for ducks. They don't have the palm to push the water back and keep swimming. But without that also, they can swim. और बताइए,
What else?
you have many more sessions in the coming days, so I have to work upon in the topics. I'll
Yeah.
spend one day
It's
thinking of.
necessary for me because I have
Yes.
a lot of session and we haven't any topic. So
Today evening, I have taken a long break. I am joining after 7 o'clock. So I have time. After this one more session, then I'll have time 2, 3 hours, 4 or 5 hours. No, 4 hours. In between, I'll think of new topics.
okay, then can you tell me something interesting about Lucknow?
Lucknow, one of the most interesting thing is about chicken curry. You know that.
Yeah.
And other thing famous, which is famous here is the food, especially
Food.
non-vegetarian food.
Hmm.
Biryani of Lucknow is famous, and some type of kebabs are also very famous.
Yeah, I have heard.
There's
I have heard about Lulu Mall. Is it
heard about
Lulu Mall? LULU Mall.